Welcome partners. Today I want to tell you more about the products and the potential of the products and the entire research that has been done in these last so many years to get me here and to get you along with the entire flow. Interactive board is a very big business and it's very booming business. I can tell you that it is right now as good as saying that it's emerging like a computers. Tomorrow, all the schools, all the colleges, all the corporates, private coaching classes, and everybody will need these interactive boards. And there is going to be a huge and great demand in the coming future. At the same time, we need to pull our socks so that we can be able to cater to such a huge and big market. Of course, this product is not a box moving product. It requires a lot of training, it requires a lot of support. And over an experience, we have done a lot of exercise to help you along that. You all are aware that the product selling is very common. Anybody can go and buy anything product available in the showroom off the shelf. But we are talking beyond the products because the margins go beyond the products. When you tell that it's a concept, it makes a huge sense for a buyer to buy from us because it is not the product but the services along with the product which create a value for our words that we speak. Of course, education segment is not to be taken very lightly because it requires huge servicing and back support. Over an experience, school have also learned what is all service all about and what we can do for them. So now our customer is more smart than what we are. Hence, we need to be very clear of what we want to do and what we need to do and what we want to give, so that we can give them good services at the same time earn good margins. So if you look at it, what is the business and what is going to be there? So when I say interactive boards, right from the delivery to installation to services to the training and the after sales services which they require, we need to cater them and we take care of this. Business means convincing the client, and when we want to convince a client, it's a great exercise that we have to undergo. We have to give a lot of our experiences to convince them to a product line. Finally, it comes to convincing that we convince him for a particular model. A customer is a very smart person. What he will do is he'll take the model number, hunt around for the best price available on this model number, and he'll buy from the channel partners. Now the entire exercise which was done, going to visiting him his premises for 4 times and the time that we have invested in convincing for a particular product or a model, is a great exercise that we have done. And the smart customer will always go and shop from the best price, and he is always happy in buying at the cheapest. This is what is convincing him, and this is what is making him feel very happy about that I have bought the best and the most economical. But he is forgetting that he is also losing on the service part because he who cannot earn margins cannot give good services. But till the time he realizes the fact, it's gone with the wind. So we are working out on a very, very different model which is talking about an EMR, which is called an exclusive marketing branch, wherein we can assure you that we will have the best product range at the same time. We will have the good pricing. I may not say rich pricing, I may say reasonable pricing. So reasonable pricing is the word. We will have reasonable pricing along with the services. I welcome you all to be our partners for an exclusive marketing rights and be a part of our good education experiences so that we can serve our segment a great time. Yes, partners. Further, I would like to tell you that it's a booming business model and we will be catering to the schools regardless of whatever board they are. It could be Gujarat board, it could be CBSE, ICSE, it could be IB. We catering to all the schools, all the colleges, regardless it is MBA, BCA, MCA, pharmacy, medical, engineering, mechanical, civil, whatever it is. So all the colleges. We'll be also catering usually to the private education sector, which involves coaching classes, especially when it comes to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Beyond that, if you look forward for private education sector, the market is wide open for all the people who are into GRE, GMAT, Arena, multimedia, designing courses and fashion designing courses, etc. Taking another vertical as corporates, we can supply our technology to the people where they are into boardrooms, conference rooms. This can be largely used also as a part of the video conferencing equipment. These are the verticals where these boards are going to be largely used. We'll be providing not only the interactive boards, but we'll be also providing them the training, which is another important part. Associated to interactive boards, we are now coming up with another products like projectors, short throw projectors, a different type of ceiling mounts, which are not the regular ones. We are coming up with different tablets and many products to add on so that we can cater to this segment on a very large scale. We are developing a call center which will help our customers get a prompt and immediate solution, which is most important part of our business plan that will help them with the best services available. Beyond that, when we are looking at the services and after sales and upgrades which are very, very important, we'll be able to do that. We don't want our channel partners to stock so that it becomes a very difficult task for them, because for example they have stocked 82-inch diagonal boards in number of 10 or 20, and when they have 104-inch diagonal board and order for 104-inch diagonal, it becomes very difficult for them. So we want a central stocking system, and the central stocking system will take care of the deliveries right to the point to point, so it directly reaches to the customer. We ensure you that we'll be doing the best, and we invite you to be our exclusive partners. Thank you very much.